Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add product variants on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel, click on the products section. Now in here, if you already have the specific product, okay, but you wanted to add some variants, you can just go ahead and click on the product, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find variants, okay? Say, for example, you're trying to sell a shirt, a pants. Of course, you'll have variants, the color, the sizes, and whatsoever. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign. For example, the color right here, we've got black, add in some more. Okay, add color, maybe clear white, okay, or just white. Back, done. Now we have 3 variants, black, clear, and white. Add another option if you want to, for example, a computer form. Okay, as you can see here, I'm trying to sell a computer right here. Okay, computer form, add a computer form. What is it? An all-in-one? Scroll down. Maybe a workstation, maybe a notebook. Click on done. You can add as many variants right here as you like. All right, as you can see, when we go out and scroll down, we now have 3 variants. Click on this drop down, you'll be able to see it. One with all-in-one, workstation and notebook. For black, for clear, same options. For white, same options as well. Now, if you're happy with that, go ahead and scroll all the way down and just click on Save to update the product. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to add product variants here on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.